Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So as you know, today I'm gonna do the eating only Maggie for 24 hours challenge. ऐसे challenges बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहे हैं इस time YouTube पे. So even I thought of giving it a go and मैंने काफ़ी सोचा कि किस चीज़ से start करें. So you know what would be better than the ultimate my love Maggie. So today I'm gonna do just that. और अभी 11 बज रहे हैं, so I'm just gonna go and have my breakfast. So this is the first meal of the day. So let's get started. So I'm gonna be starting my day with the Maggie Fusion Hong Kong spicy garlic noodles. And to be honest, मैंने इनके बाकी दोनों फ्लेवर्स भी खाए हैं और वो मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आए, तो मुझे इससे भी कोई ज़्यादा उम्मीद तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. So let's see how it goes. This actually doesn't taste bad. अब पता नहीं क्योंकि मैंने बाकी के दो फ्लेवर्स बिना कुछ डाले प्लेन बनाए थे और ये मैंने प्याज टमाटर डाल के बनाया. सो आई डोंट नो इफ दैट्स द डिफरेंस और नॉट, बट दिस एक्चुअली टेस्ट नाइस. So that was my breakfast, which wasn't bad at all. So now I'm just gonna see you after a few hours when I have my lunch. Hi. So this is my friend Apurva. Hello. And she is very camera conscious. तो इसको मत देखना अभी बिल्कुल भी. So Apurva is going to tell us कि मैगी कैसी बनी है.
वेरी टेस्टी, पर तूने नहीं बनाई.
ना बेकार है. कुछ ढंग का बताना जो वीडियो में अच्छा लगे.
मुझे नहीं बना, तुझे बताओगे तू बनाती है.
So my lunch is done, and I don't think I feel like eating any more Maggie right now. But I'll see you when I have my dinner. Hi guys, so it's been 3 hours since I got back, and I'm starting to feel a bit hungry now. So I'm thinking of making Maggi pizza. मैंने कभी भी नहीं बनाया. This is the first time that I'm gonna make it. तो मुझे बिल्कुल भी आइडिया नहीं है कि कैसा बनेगा, इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बनाने वाली. I'm just gonna make one pizza for myself, and yeah, let's see how I make it. So the pizza is finally ready, and I don't know how it's turned out. So let's see. Oh, it's very hot. I can't eat it right now. Very hot. That cheese bowl. Although you can't taste a lot of Maggi, but it definitely is very tasty. So that was it for today's challenge, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. और मुझे तो ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगा कि बहुत ज़्यादा मैगी खा ली और अब ज़िंदगी में कभी भी मैगी नहीं खानी. मेरे साथ ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं हुआ. मे बी जस्ट बिकॉज आई एट different types of Maggies every time. So I really enjoyed this challenge, and if you try out this Maggi pizza recipe or the first recipe that I made, then do not forget to share the image on Instagram and just tag me. My Instagram handle would be linked in the bottom bar below. And yeah, if you want me to do any more challenges, then let me know in the comment box below what else should I do. And if you like my channel, then do subscribe and hit the like button, and also follow me on Instagram. As I said, the link would be in the bottom bar, so go follow me there as well. So till next time, take care. Bye.